This is how we can rename an app folder on iPhone. So at first we're going to have to locate it. So I'm going to tap on it like this to get inside the folder. It's currently called just that, the folder, right? But in order to make some changes to it, we need to go to the edit mode. A few ways, right? You can either hold it down around the apps somewhere. So as you can see, I have a couple of apps, but if I hold down with my finger in here, we get into the edit mode, so we can move the apps around and so on. But also the title or name of the folder is editable. So I can tap there, the keyboard pulls up, and I can name it to whatever I want. So for example, I'm going to change it to the apps, right? And now I can swipe up like this, and now the folder is now renamed. But there are, of course, more ways you can get to this edit mode. The edit mode will be the same, but you can get there differently. For example, you can hold down on the app icon, move it around, right? And now we are also in the edit mode, so we can now also edit the name of the folder. But it's pretty much just the same thing, right? You want to get to this stage, right? You might even be on the home screen generally and go to the edit mode in there, and then now navigate to the folder and rename it. So pretty much the same thing, just different ways to actually trigger the edit mode. But that is essentially it from me. Let me know if that's the thing you were wondering about and searching for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you later in future uploads.